Hi everyone, this is your island girl, Chef Raquel Fox. And today, I'm at one of my most favorite restaurants in Toronto, Aviv Immigrant Kitchen, here to see proprietors Robert CHEE and Maria. After 6 years of operation on DuPont, Aviv recently located to Sinclair West, adding Immigrant Kitchen to their name. So as we say in the islands, if you're going, let's go. Okay, oh my gosh, the ambience, right? This is what captivates me every time I'm here. And there they
are!
Oh
my gosh! Hi, Chef Raquel.
Oh my gosh, how are you guys?
Very well.
And the lovely, your better half. Beautiful Maria.
Hi, Chef.
Chef Jorge. Oh my gosh, the whole team is here, guys. I'm so excited to be interviewing you guys today and seeing the back end of the kitchen as well as the front end. And today's just going to be fabulous. So let me take off my coat. Okay, so we're here at Aviv Immigrant Kitchen. And you know, some people say that a restaurant is only as good as its bar. And I think that's a true testament here. I'm here with this handsome gentleman, Mr. Roger Allen. Isn't that a movie star name? Roger. Hello.
Hello.
Well, welcome to Island Girl Food TV. And tell me a little bit about your cocktails here at Aviv.
We try to cover a lot of ground, just a lot of riffs on old classics, Prohibition era cocktails. So.
Okay. And I know that you have an extensive wine list.
We do. We also cover a lot of ground there. Wines from all over the world, a lot focusing on Spanish. So a lot of Riojas, Tempraneos.
Oh, nice. So tell me, can I still get my J-Lore here?
Of course.
Amazing.
Old favorites.
I know. I love it. And I love a great Malbec. And I know from dining here, this happened to be one of my favorite restaurants in Toronto. So Maria always had wonderful Malbecs for me from Argentina.
Definitely.
My favorite. Love it. And who don't love a really good Cabernet Sauvignon? So I know you guys got me covered there as well.
Definitely.
And how about the white wines?
White wines, yeah, we've got plenty of those as well. There's a Tempranillo white as well. Good full body white.
Great with seafood. Okay, so we had designed a drink that in our great friend Robert CHEE, owner and proprietor of Aviv Immigrant Kitchen. So we call it the Immigrant in his honor. And this drink is going to be at Food Shared's Recipe for Change, February 28th. So if you guys would love to sample it, I want you to come on out. And Roger is going to demonstrate here how to make the Immigrant.
Correct, yes. So we're going to start off with some fresh ginger. We're just going to microplane it into our shaker.
Love it.
Very good.
Ginger gives drinks a little spice, right?
Definitely.
That's what I'm all about. Spice in your life. So nice. I can smell that. I wish you guys could smell this ginger. And fresh is best, right?
Definitely. Yes.
Awesome.
Always fresh ginger.
Nice.
Get a good amount in there. Give you some extra pop to your drink. We're going to do, let's say, 1/4 to a 1/2 ounce, so maybe a 1/3 ounce of fresh lime juice.
Oh, nice.
We've got 1 ounce pineapple juice.
Ooh. Beautiful. Okay.
And then there's going to be 4 ounces of tamarind juice.
Oh my gosh, tamarind, my favorite fruit. One of my favorite fruits.
One of them.
Yes.
One of them. All right. And then you're going to add, of course, the base spirit, white roll vodka.
Vodka. Ooh. Now that is very unique because you don't see many Caribbean-inspired drinks using vodka, right?
Mostly rum. Rum. But we're going vodka.
Okay.
You get enough flavor in there from all the different citrus.
Ooh.
We're going to do 1 1/2 ounce.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice. We're not shying away from the vodka here.
No, you can go. You can stretch it out a little bit more if you'd like, if that's your thing.
One thing I must say, when I go to a bar, it really frustrates me when you're just getting all juice and no alcohol. Am I the only one?
No, you'd like to see a nice, well-balanced drink.
Thank you.
Alcohol is obviously why we're drinking in the first place, right?
Thank you very much.
If we wanted a fruit juice, we'd get a smoothie.
Thank you. Hello.
Right, so we're gonna give that a good.
It's bartender.
Give this a good hard shake.
Okay.
All right.
Shit.
And we're just gonna give it a good double strain, so there's not any.
Any sediments?
That's
okay.
right. Just because there's that fresh ginger in there, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get the flavors from it, just not the.
Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness! If you guys can just smell the ginger in this is going to be well balanced. I can't wait to taste it. Looking beautiful already.
Very nice, and then we'll just top it off with some ice.
Yeah. And there are a lot of cocktails with tamarind in it. That's why
true.
I can't wait to try this.
Very unique ingredient.
And tamarind is the flavor profile is pretty much a bit tart and a bit earthy, I would say.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay. And what is that for our viewers who don't know?
Sorry?
What's that for our viewers?
Oh.
What are you doing there?
Lemongrass, just as a little garnish.
Oh my
We're
goodness.
just going to tuck this in.
And guys, just with him doing that twist, there was this aromatic burst of lemon in the air.
That's right. And we're just going to top off with a little ginger ale.
Ooh, nice.
Just to complement that fresh ginger.
Oh my goodness.
And find a nice, worthy mint sprig.
Oh wow.
Give it a good slap, bring out some of those aromatics.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
There we are.
I'm salivating. I can't wait.
Smells good, right? Smells very good.
Okay. And if that isn't enough, what else do we have
And we're
in
just
here?
going to finish
Oh
it
my
off
gosh.
with some dried hibiscus. Give it some color on there.
Beautiful wild hibiscus. We also know it in the Caribbean as sorrel.
Sorrel.
And it's completely edible, right?
Correct.
Oh
yeah.
my goodness, that is paradise right there. Oh my goodness, it looks too beautiful to drink, but
Culinary
that's
cocktail.
not going to stop me. Oh my goodness.
Enjoy.
Guys, the immigrant. So we're here in the kitchen at Aviv where it all goes down. And we have our wonderful chef, Jorge. He just made sure I said it correctly as well. Jorge is going to show us a very specialty dish. And Robert, what are you guys demoing for us today?
Well, today we're doing pork tenderloin, Caribbean style.
Ooh.
So the condiments or the sides that goes with it will be fresh pineapple salsa, and also our mango curry sauce, which is the base of for the pork tenderloin.
Cut! Did you say curry?
Yes, I
Oh my
did.
goodness, and mango!
Yes, I did. And fresh mango.
I'm so excited already.
So am I.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, so I'll let you get to it.
So Jorge is going to start cooking, and I will explain as we go along, as he's prepping the ingredients. Here's our pork tenderloin, center cut, marinated in our jerk spice. Okay, so this is Jorge in action. Right now it's preheating the pan to medium to high level right now. Some vegetable oil. Now our pork tenderloin goes on the sizzle right now with the jerk spice. Oh, I can smell it now as well. And now this is our mango curry sauce that will go with the pork tenderloin. We allow double dipping here. Jorge is looking for the color of the pork tenderloin. So our mango curry, we use fresh mango, fresh ripe mango with a secret curry sauce and accompanied by also a lemongrass as well, which we puree. And the pork tenderloin is jerk spice with a different variety of spices such as cumin and such as a little bit of cayenne and also a little bit of turmeric as well. And you see Jorge searing it as he looking for a perfect color to be had. Now Jorge has let the pork tenderloin rest, and he's cutting the pork tenderloin on the bison right now. As he's cutting, you just put it back in the pan and finish off in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. And into the oven it goes. Fresh cilantro, Jorge's cutting for garnish, making it look pretty. First taste for your eyes. Sweet bell peppers, pineapple salsa, which consists of red onions, also a bit of mango as well, and peppers, cilantro, a little salt and pepper, and fresh lemon juice. Okay, so the pork tenderloin is done in the oven. Now Jorge's going to take it out. He's making up the curry mango sauce right now, which he's going to garnish first onto the wooden plate. There you go, it's making it look pretty. We're doing this dish just to remind everyone in Toronto good weather is coming soon. So just I hope that this will make your day feel better looking at this dish. Hot, looking pretty. We're going to wrap it up. So one day I hope you come by to Aviv Immigrant Kitchen and taste our pork tenderloin, which is featured by Jorge, and all the fresh ingredients. And thank you to I'm a Girl YouTube. Subscribe now. As Rena is serving, I'm pouring an Ontario Angel's Gate from Niagara region from Beansville, a small little winery just outside St. Catharines. We featured this wine because it's Ontario, matching our Ontario pork, and this is a nice, elegant wine made in French oak, leasing in French oak, and pairs perfectly with the Ontario pork tenderloin with the Ontario wine from the Niagara region. Sorry for my reach, Chef Raquel.
Oh,
We are creating
amazing.
Yeah.
Let's eat.
All right, let's go in. So I want a bite of everything. That's how I love to do with this wonderful salsa, some of the curry, the pork. Oh my god.
I'll keep eating. Sorry, guys.
I'm shedding a tear right here, right now, guys.
As I mentioned earlier with our as Chef Jorge goes cooking, we call ourselves Immigrant Kitchen. We have a variety of food from all corners of the world, pretty much. We want to feature ourselves. My wife and Maria and I are immigrants as well, and definitely want to feature our background, our heritage, our love for food. So we have different variety of foods from different parts of the world, such as the gailan from China with the mapo tofu. We have Filipino ceviche. We have a few dishes from the Mediterranean section, such as the lakas, the hummus dip, and also the beef pastrami on everything rye pancake. We could go on, but we feature international worldly food that's
the banh mi, one of my favorites.
oh, banh mi with
Banh mi.
with the Argentinian sweet tiger shrimp, crispy, and
Hello.
also the pork belly that goes with it, and garnished with nice pickled vegetables on top on a homemade baguette.
And you know what I've noticed? Marie and Robert, you both complement each other so well.
Thank you.
Thank
Lovely
you.
Maria from Argentina.
Gracias.
So let me know how it is and your viewers working together as a married couple in the restaurant
I'll let Maria
industry.
take this part because what I say might be detrimental.
I think it's very interesting. I think we, as you said, we complement each other, and that like brings this place alive because we believe in details. Our food is detail oriented, and the place. Then like we hold hands very strong and very tight, and we help each other all the time. And no matter what happens, we're always together.
Absolutely, I see that. It's like two peas in a pod.
Freaking
It's
frack.
a family that eats together and works together. Stays together. Wonderful. But Robert, you know, you've never shared your story with me because I know that you have mad skills in the kitchen and you're also a chef. What inspired you to become a chef?
Well, I like the lifestyle. I really do. It's rewarding, and I love meeting people. I love seeing people happy faces, and basically, I love every aspect of this business. It's low tough, low stress, but I love making people happy. I love accommodating people. Just people coming in, greeting, meeting different types of people from ages newborn to age 99. We just love people, so that's why we are in this business.
Oh, that's beautiful. And Maria, I call you my sommelier because every time I come in, she makes sure I don't just stick with one wine. And she knows just how to pair so wonderfully.
Thanks.
Tell me a little bit about your experience in that industry.
Well, like through the years, we're meeting extraordinary people with great knowledge in Toronto. That because it's Toronto and we are like people from all over the place, we bring our culture and our wines, our food. Then that helps us to learn more about different grapes, for example, or different wines that we would not have the opportunity to drink it anywhere else in the world. Then through the years, we learned with friends. One of our wine guys, the people that supply us with the wine, is a good friend of Robert that has been like for 35 years friends of him. They work together. Then when we had this concept, we brought all our friends and they help us to build not only like a beautiful place, it's something that comes all together. Then because of that, it's so easy to recommend. It's part of our story.
Know that Winterlicious is here. So guys, tell me a bit about your Winterlicious menu and what customers coming to Aviv Immigrant Kitchen can expect.
I'll let my wife do that. Go ahead.
It's a little representation of our big menu. We have we incorporate dishes like the duck. We have a duck with a mole sauce. We have mussels, like with our kimchi. We make the kimchi, an apple kimchi here. It gives us sweetness, even a bitterness. It's like delicious. We have desserts, new desserts like apple crumble with our vanilla ice cream.
Bye-bye New Year's resolution.
Already?
And then for me, my particular simple meal is like steak and frites. And we have a beautiful sirloin like that is gonna be presented too. Then it's a little bit of the regular menu, the like favorites, and also the new additions to give like a great idea who we are.
Oh, beautiful. And I know that you guys have certain specials for those of us who like to ball on a budget. So I know there's a half price wine,
Yeah,
right?
on Mondays.
On Mondays. Tell us a
Please,
bit about
yes.
that.
Well, we like people to try things different and like enjoy it. I don't think about the money, it's just the experience. And we have like half price bottles of wines on Monday, all day for lunch and for dinner. And then you can actually order like one bottle. And the good thing is like if you're like thinking maybe I'm not gonna finish the bottle, you can take it home.
Wonderful,
That's it.
wonderful. So give us the hours for customers.
So we're open 7 days a week. We're open for lunch and brunch on weekends, and we open 7 nights a week as well. And we're located at 779 St. Clair West, and the main intersection will be St. Clair and Christie. And ample parking around the area on the street, and also we have a public P within 2-second walk away from the restaurant.
I truly love the food here. The staff here is a real family, guys. Real family. They work together. Customer service is excellent here. So I hope you come on in and try this wonderful dish or another dish on their menu. They have such a wonderful variety. Easy listening music, beautiful environment, beautiful ambience here. Bring your friends, corporate team building, I think it will be great here at Aviv also, and the bar. Roger Allen, the immigrant, that's everything. So guys, if you love this show and what you've seen here, please hit that subscribe button to Island Gurl, Gurl TV, like, and I hope to see you at Food Share's Recipe for Change to try the immigrant drink. And you can always come into Aviv and also have the immigrant, as well as meeting the lovely Maria and Robert.
Thank you.
Bye.
Gracias.
Until next time.